Have you ever wondered who invented money? Who decided that pieces of paper, metal coins, and numbers on a screen could be used to buy almost anything? Did a king create money? Did a scientist invent it? Or did money slowly evolve over thousands of years? Today, we'll uncover the fascinating story of one of humanity's most important inventions: money. To find the answer, we must travel back thousands of years. Long before banks, coins, and paper bills existed, people lived in small communities. Back then, there was no money at all. If someone needed food, tools, or clothing, they had to exchange goods directly with other people. This system is known as barter. A farmer might trade grain for pottery. A hunter might exchange animal skins for tools. A fisherman might trade fish for vegetables. At first, barter worked reasonably well. But it had a major problem. Both people had to want what the other person was offering at exactly the same time. Imagine owning chickens and wanting shoes. You would need to find a shoemaker who also wanted chickens. This wasn't always possible. As communities grew larger, trading became increasingly difficult. People needed something that everyone would accept. Different civilizations began using items that many people considered valuable. In different parts of the world, people used shells, salt, beads, animal skins, large stones, precious metals. These objects became some of the earliest forms of money. They were easier to exchange because many people agreed that they had value. Money had begun to emerge. Around 2,600 years ago, an ancient kingdom called Lydia, located in what is now modern-day Turkey, created some of the world's first official coins. These coins were made from a naturally occurring mixture of gold and silver. They had standardized sizes and values. For the first time, people could carry money that was widely accepted for trade. The idea spread rapidly. Soon, many civilizations began making their own coins. Centuries later, another revolutionary idea appeared. In ancient China, people began using paper money. Instead of carrying heavy metal coins everywhere, they could use paper notes representing value. This made trade much easier, especially across long distances. Over time, paper money spread throughout the world. Banks developed. Financial systems became more complex. Trade expanded on an enormous scale. Today, money has evolved again. Many purchases no longer involve coins or paper bills. People use credit cards, mobile payments, online banking, digital currencies. In many cases, money exists only as numbers stored in computers. Yet its purpose remains the same as it was thousands of years ago: to make exchanging goods and services easier. Final conclusion. So, who invented money? The surprising answer is: no single person invented money. Money evolved gradually over thousands of years. It began with barter, progressed to valuable objects, then to coins, paper money, and finally digital payments. What seems like ordinary pieces of paper and numbers on a screen actually represent one of humanity's greatest inventions. And that is the fascinating story of money.